Today we're doing the Warby Parker glasses try-on. I did a home try-on with 5 pairs of glasses 2 weeks ago and decided to purchase 3 new pairs because these weren't available in the home try-on. With the help of these guys right here, we are going to unbox it and try 3 of them on, and I'm gonna get their opinion and see which one I should keep. All right, you gotta also cut this one on the side here. Can we do this one too? I'm gonna get it, okay? It's bedtime and we need to go to bed. So here's the box, it's nice and blue. It says Warby Parker right here, right? And when we open it, we get 3 mini boxes in there. So these are the 3 glasses we're gonna try on today. The actual product is boxed way nicer than the home try-on. The home try-on is a plastic tray with 5 glasses. These are actually, you know, comes in the case and such. So this is the first one. What do you guys think?
I want to keep the first.
You want to keep this first one? What you're looking at is the Percy. Makes me look kind of scholarly. Also, I have a really wide face, so these 3 are wide, and this one still seems to be kind of pinching right here, so probably not going to be the keeper. Again, this is the Percy. Keep this one? Are you sure you didn't even see the other ones?
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah, let's keep going.
And then,
Alright, so this is the first one. Okay.
And then I want that one.
You want this one?
Yeah, after we see the other ones.
This is some nice packaging right here. It says, "Nice to see you," if you can't read that. Nice to see you. All right, so this is the Percy. Zozo, did you like this one? Yeah, okay. All right, next one right here is, this is the Benson Lighter already, from what I can tell, but still. What do you think about this one? Is it good?
The first one.
The first one still? How about you, Zozo? You like this one? This one looks the most normal from what I can tell. Does it look funny? Or it looks okay?
Looks funny.
Looks funny? Okay, this is the Benson. It's still a little tight right here. It's kind of pinching me right here. And it's kind of small, so maybe I need the extra wide. Okay, that's the second one. And then the last one here is the Hughes. What do you think about this one?
I still like the first one.
You still like the first one? How about you, Zozo?
First.
I think this one is the most comfortable.
I know which one is the first one.
This is the first one.
I know you keep that one.
I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one, Zachy, because this pinches my head. Just a little footnote, these are all low bridge fits, or as the sister-in-law likes to call it, Asian fit.
Wow.
So I think the one he's holding is the keeper, and these are gonna get boxed and shipped back to Warby. It's probably gonna keep the Hughes wide. Just wanna check one thing, just wanna make sure that it actually is wider, because it feels wider. Can I see that, Zachy, please? And let's see, yeah, it actually is wider. So footnote, not all wides are the same. They vary in width. So yeah, this one obviously, I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but this feels the best. So this is gonna be the keeper. It's gonna be the Hughes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out. Thank you guys for helping me. Thank you. Is this good? Is this good? For more fatherhood content, consider subscribing below. Make it a great day. Catch you on the next one.